Stick around for a look inside the Marvel Superhero Academy aboard the Disney Destiny. It is just like the Wish.
A little bit of conversation, a little bit of relaxation. Across the sea, city to city, come par with me. Tell me when you're ready, ready to leave. With my cruising family, across the skies and sea. Come and par with me, yeah. What you waiting for? Just step out that door and explore. Are you ready to par with me and this cruising family? My cruising family.
So this is the Avengers area in the Oceaneers Club.
Welcome, recruit. I am Friday, artificial intelligence for the Avengers. You have been chosen to take part in a series of training missions. Web shooters.
The attention to detail here is over the top.
Quite impressed.
This is awesome.
Authorizing new login. Place your fingers on the scanner.
Ooh.
Access granted. Select your next mission. Unidentified flying drones have been spotted around New York. Locate a drone and run a diagnostic scan on it. Select your suit power type. Vibranium. Pick your suit and tap continue to proceed.
No, the first one. Continue, yeah.
Rendering suit.
Oh!
Nano suit assembly complete.
Nice.
Suit up and prepare for battle.
Oh. This is cool. Thank you.
Stand straight with your arms out to the sides. Prepare to suit up. Loading suit protocols. Authorizing new login. Image data required. Taking image render in 3, 2, 1. Scroll DNA detected. Please scan again. Loading mission. Stand by. Fingers on the scanner. Access granted. Welcome, recruit. I am Friday, artificial intelligence for the Avengers. You have been chosen to take part in this series. This is the mission select screen. PIM Technologies is preparing a drone located. The scan in progress. It's spotted you. Don't engage until the scan is complete. Select your suit power type. Quantum. You should work on your dodging. Wave shooters. Scan complete. It's a Hydrobot and hostile. Weapon systems are now locked. Aim with your hands. Push forward to fire. Well done. More Hydrobots incoming. Take them out.
Take them out.
Nanosuit assembly complete.
Y'all want to see Allan?
Mission complete.
Oh, to be a kid on a Disney cruise. These kids don't know what they have, man, or I hope they do. This is awesome. All right, good job. Time for dinner.
Mission unlocked.
What you waiting for? Just step out that door and explore. Are you ready to par with me and this cruising family, my cruising family.